Alright guys, we're back. Tony's Hobby Channel. Sometimes it's gotta get a little ugly before it gets nice and cute and pretty looking. Nice and purtiful, as I like to call it. So, no, we don't need to call the ambulance. No, this is not some beginning to some bad ending. Anyways, I digress. Alright, so we had 2 cans of rattle can spray paint, as you see. Just because the cap sprayer fits does not necessarily mean that it's going to spray correctly. So, as you see here, it looks like some kind of scene from some kind of horror movie. Anyways, I digress yet again. When I was spraying this, I was thinking about when I was a kid, and I used to like paint all of my model cars, all these different colors. So, kind of bringing back memories. Yay, fun memories. Alright. No, I'm not gonna buff and polish this gas tank. I know somebody out there's like commenting down below, "Are you gonna buff and polish it?" No, buddy, I'm not. But I did have this can of spray paint, which is called Safety Red, I believe. Down there somewhere. Alright, Rust-Oleum. And boop! Boop! And then I had this other can. This guy here. Another red. So I got lucky and I was able to cover it. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is not gonna wash off for a while. Yay! Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, paint's still there. Alright. So, we're gonna let this bad boy dry. How's it look? Not too shabby, huh? Kinda cool. And that way when someone's down there underneath the vehicle, it's like, "Hey, dum-dum, there's the gas tank." So that's all painted as well. I was thinking about doing the bed liner and all that stuff, but I'm like, I can't afford all that. I don't have money for it right now. I know it's only 20, 30 bucks or something like that, but just don't have it right now. So we're going with all this leftover stuff. And hey, that's why you buy more than you need when you have projects. So that way you have some left over and you can use them on projects like this for free. Free dollars. It costs $3 and free cents. That's a lot of dollars. Alright guys, comment down below. Big shout out to everybody who has followed, liked, subscribed since day one. Check out my Instagram, my eBay channel. I try to stay somewhat frequent on posting stuff. Bloody finger, put a band-aid on it. Alright, anyways, yeah. Tony's Hobby Channel, signing out. Have a wonderful day. Everybody stay safe. Best regards. Big shout out to everybody. Everybody. If you're watching this, big shout out to you. You are awesome. I appreciate you. That's right, I approve this message. Alright, cool. You guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day, Saturday, Sunday, whatever day of the week it may be. Alright, Tony's Hobby Channel, signing out.